You might think that sending an email in Gmail is just a matter of hitting that send button, but did you know there's more than one way to do it? Intrigued? Then let's crack on. Hello, Sharon here and welcome back to my channel. Now the first way of sending an email is using the schedule send feature. You've typed out your email ready to go, but you don't want to send it just yet. So instead of hitting the send button like you would do normally, click on the drop down arrow to the right of the button and you'll see schedule send. So if you click on there, this will bring up a few preset time options available to you, or you can click on select date and time to do one of your own. So just choose a date and a time and click schedule send. Your email will then be moved to its own label called scheduled over on the left hand side, and you'll see a number next to it which tells you how many emails are scheduled to go out. So if you click into the label, and you'll see the list of scheduled emails. Over on the right hand side of each email is the date of when it's going to be sent. And if you want to edit the email or cancel sending it altogether, just click into the email and then go over to the right where it says cancel send, and you can click on there. This brings the email back into draft mode and you can make your changes to it, send it straight away, discard it, or you can go through scheduling a different time to send it again. The second way is using send and archive, which is a handy way of cleaning up your inbox without deleting your emails. So first you need to enable this feature by clicking into the cogwheel in the top right corner and then go to see all settings. You'll see a section a bit further down called send and archive, and you just need to click next to where it says show send and archive button in reply. Don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of the page and save your changes. So this now gives you the option of clicking send and archive whenever you reply to an email, meaning the email will automatically move to a specific label if you've given it one, and it will also move to a label called all mail. So if I just type something quickly in here and click send and archive, which is the blue button, now it says the message has been sent and the conversation has been archived. So to find the all mail, scroll down till you get to the more option in your menu on the left hand side, click into there and your all mail is here. It's also useful to know that when you carry out a search in Gmail, the results will also include any emails that have been archived. Moving on to the third way, and this is not technically sending an email, but it's handy to know if you've hit that send button a bit too quick and need to get the email back, and that's the undo send feature. So to find this, again, click on the cogwheel in the top right and go to see all settings. The undo send feature is near the top of this page. Click on the drop down arrow and choose the cancellation period. This is the amount of seconds you have after clicking send to get the email back without the recipient receiving it. I recommend going with the maximum, which at the time of recording this video is 30 seconds. And remember to hit Save Changes button at the very bottom of the page. So now when you send an email, you'll notice a notification appears in the bottom left of the screen with the option of undo. Click on undo and the message returns to its draft form. Let me know in the comments if you knew about and use these other sending options. Personally, I use all three of these features and find the send and archive button especially good for keeping my inbox to the bare minimum. I'm going to link to another video here where I show more settings that I think you'll find helpful, especially if you haven't explored your settings yet and have kept everything as default. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.